What's up guys, Joey again, Vegas D-Tech. Tonight guys, I just got a little bit of a tech tip for you. I've been trying to experiment with different ways to record field and park hunts with my GoPro, and I've tried numerous things, man. I've tried it with the chest mount, I've tried it with the hat mount, and then I came up with this one right here where it's actually mounted to the side of the detector. And of the three, I like this the best because the hat mount, it's just having that weight of that camera right at the edge of your hat. It's just annoying, and it just bounces, and it's just lame. And I don't know what you're seeing. So half the time when I'm in the hole, I'm above the hole or I'm below the hole. I can't actually monitor it. And if I have a chest mount, when I actually go to dig the plug, a lot of times I have to really get up and over the hole to dig. And when I do that, you're seeing like my knees, or you're seeing above the hole. I can't keep you in shot. So I came up with this rig right here where the camera is located on the arm. All right, and this is really great because when you're ready to actually cut a plug, see this right here, you can actually aim it right at the screen so you guys can see the VDI, you can hear the tones. And if I actually want you to come up higher, I could raise you above and tilt it forward and give you guys a little bit more angle of what's going on in the ground. And so when I'm actually detecting, I can sweep, and then when I actually get to the ground and I want to dig a plug, I could just take this thing, angle it right on the hole. Then I could just do whatever I want down here, dig in the hole, and this camera stays in shot. And when we're ready to go, I just push this thing right back up, and then we'll get to it, and we're back at it again. All right. So this is going to be the easiest way to actually do this, man. And the price on this is $6. I've done this a couple of other ways, but guys, don't waste your money with all these gadgets and gizmos and stuff. Just get this little GoPro stick right here. I don't know what it's called. It's called a monopod or whatever. I got this off of eBay, like $6. I got like 3 of them. So any of my detectors I could mount this to. The nice thing about the Legend is it's already got a spot perfectly for this little gimmick or gizmo or attachment. I should market this. This is so cool. So anyways, this is like a regular GoPro stick, and it's got this little mount on it right here that will allow this thing to articulate forward and back, right? And your actual GoPro will screw right up on the top right here. This is all one piece for $6. Now the nice thing about this is that it comes with a screw on the bottom, a screw hole, right? So that you're going to have a little threaded screw like this, and this will actually thread onto the bottom just like that, right? Now how does this help you guys? Well, on the bottom of the Legend, I made me a little teeny bracket right here, which is easy. I just had a free piece laying around the house. Now the Legend already comes with these holes on the bottom where the battery goes in. It already comes with these 3 holes already ready to go. So all you need to do is take your little GoPro stick here that costs $6. You're going to get a little bolt that goes right into here, and it screws right in, threads right in, right? And it's going to go right into the bottom just like this. Then you're going to create your little teeny angled piece, and then there's 3 holes on the bottom of the Legend, and you're going to put one little nut right through there, just like that. And it's going to be level. You're going to be able to set it down on the ground, and you're going to be able to do your job and just pick it right up and go right to it again. So from the air to the ground. Take your camera, just shoot it over whatever angle you need to get. When you're ready to get up and do more detecting, you just push it right back up. It aims at the VDI, and you're off and good. The way it attaches up here, I've tried this thing with many different things. It's just simple. I just crisscross 2 pieces of zip ties, and it holds it so firm, man. Actually, one will be fine, but just in case one breaks, I've got another one for backup. So this is at the top, and down here like this, like I said, little screw down in the bottom of the stick, little Z bracket to the bottom of this right here, and you've got yourself a nice little portable gimmick. You'll always be in shot because I can always monitor what you guys see from right here on this screen. Alright, and this thing comes right off here. Here, see? And the GoPro itself has this little teeny pod right here on the bottom, attachment. You put it right there, and there's a little screw right here. You just screw, Boom, just like that. And if you want to do, like, if I want to talk to you guys, I could just set this on the ground and just turn it around and do a narration to talk to you guys. And when I'm ready to go back to detecting, just spin it right back around and it catches VDI. Dig in a plug in the hole, pull it up, shoot it over, crank it down on the ground. And like I said, it's just out, it's out of the way, bro. Just like that. VDI, I want to go up above it, take a little bit more. I want to talk to you as I'm vlogging. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. $6. All right, so just a little teeny, you know, how-do. I just thought maybe this would be something that's helpful for you guys that want to make a channel, want to do some park detecting. This is the best little gimmick that I've got. I paid a lot more money for a whole lot of different things, and it's just a lot of wasted money that wasn't necessary. This works great. So $6, guys. All right, wonderful. Thanks a lot, man, for tuning into this little quick little channel of how do. My wife is helping me. She's videotaping tonight, so thank you, Maria, very much. And guys, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Vegas D-Tech, it's Joey. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.